Hi. Hey, baby. Come here. Come here.
Caleb. There's mommy. There's mommy. There's mommy.
Look.
Hi.
You need help?
Of course, I got that. Yeah.
Look, he's looking. Look, he's looking.
You looking?
Yep. Here, Mom.
Yeah.
Who's that?
He left.
Oh, I had the stoppers on so he can't push her.
Is that a baby?
Mom.
Oh, he's making you laugh. It hurts. Look at your shirt.
Hey. That's a surprise, Mommy. Let's see the
Look at
shirt.
your shirt.
Let's see the shirt. Oh. Oh.
Wait, I can't hold her.
Mom, you get over there.
Okay. Here. I got him. Where's the nose? Poor kid. Shoes. I know, you don't look. Get up there. He's going to the bed. Oh.
Who's that, Caleb? Oh.
Yeah. Soft, 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 baby.
Oh.
Soft.
Mom.
I got him. I got him. Oh, yeah, it's the baby. Give it to the baby.
Oh. He gave it backwards. They already love each other.
Good job. Oh, give it to the baby. Give it to the baby.
He's looking like, I just don't know. Oh.
Mouth. Here, here. Give it to the baby.
Uh-oh.
Give it to the baby. Okay, okay. Here, let him sit.
Here, let's sit.
On the other side. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Give it to the baby. Try it again. Yeah, I am. I'm holding it. Here, you come over here. Come over here. Next to mommy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sit next to mommy. There. Oh, here. Hand me the baby.
Yeah, you gotta hand her.
All right. Oh, well, good. Yeah. Here, sit.
Hey, baby.
Jocelyn. Yeah.
Caleb. Caleb. Are you a big brother? Oh.
Okay, sit here. Sit here. Ready?
Who is that?
Baby.
Oh.
Oh, soft. Here, look at the baby. He's looking. Look at his face. Look at the nose. Nose, eyes. Yeah.
Hey, baby. He's looking like, I just don't know.
Ooh, oh.
Oh, Mom, here.
Okay.
You want it? Here, you can.
Here, why don't you just stop it?
Okay, stop. All right.
Okay.